Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2007 to 2024 Toyota Yaris. So you do this by using the trip button on the dash and the ignition on the side of the steering column. Step one is to turn the key to the on position without actually starting the engine. Step 3 is to press the trip button repeatedly until you see the trip A on the screen. Trip A. Step 3 is to turn the key back off. Step 4 is to hold down the trip button and then turn the key back to the on position without starting the car again. Okay, so step 5 is to hold the trip button until you see the display show all zeros. And your maintenance light should go off. Problem solved.